Hello everyone, today we're going to make this square towel that is going to be very useful for your skincare routine. You can use them in the morning or at night to clean out your face, to get rid of makeup. Also, you are not using this amount of cotton balls throughout the year, that they are not going to be very good for the environment. Okay. So stay tuned and we're going to start making this very easy project. We're going to start measuring our fabric that is going to be 14 centimeters. It will be ideal to use microfiber fabric or a towel, a cotton towel fabric. That will be also very good for our project. So we're going to cut a square 14 by 14 centimeters or 5.5 and 5.5 inches. So if you want to make more than one square towel, you have to cut multiple squares. You can use scissors, but I am using this rotary cutter that it's very easy to cut squares, but scissors are totally fine. Okay, we're going to put two squares together and they're going to be ready to be sewed. We're going to sew around the edge of the square, but we need to leave a space in the middle of the square of 2 inches or 5 centimeters. You are going to see all the instructions also in the description down below, so where to put all the stitches. If you don't have a sewing machine, that's totally fine. You can do it by hand. It's going to be very easy. So as you can see, I'm leaving a space. I have to stop in there in the middle, and I'm going to leave a space of this 2 inches or 5 centimeters so I can put all the inside out the fabric. And it's important to cut the corners of these towels so you don't have a bulge in all the corners. So cut those corners and then we're ready to turn the fabric inside out. Okay, so now we're ready to do one more stitch around the edges. And also we have to be careful so we can close that hole that we left before. Okay, we're going to leave a stitch, like it's going to be a 1/4 of an inch stitch around all the borders. So the towels are going to be more secure and they have more body. And our project will be ready. Here are the towels, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.